welcome back to my channel. Today we're not doing dinosaurs, Godzilla or Transformers, any of them. And so today we have this animal pack farm world. And before we start, I'm going to tell you that we're back home, as you can already see. Home sweet home. So that was my first vlog with you, traveling vlog. So I hope you liked it. So let's go ahead. So first let's talk about this. It says, hold on. Collect them all, okay? And then 3 animals. It has 3 surprises inside. Has all these animals. Schleich, I don't know how you pronounce it. Then farm world. Okay. It says the contents are, we have a chicken, and then we have a rooster, we have a cat, we have a rabbit. I think it's like a black-white dog, and then we have another dog, then we have a husky, then we have a little puppy, which is black and peach, I think. And then we have another puppy. Then we have a turkey, then we have a horse that is black and white, then we have another horse that is brown, then we have a goat, then we have a black cow, then we have a black and white cow. And then we have all these sets over here. And then, yeah. So let's get started. I can't wait to see what we got. I think we're gonna get 3 surprises because, hold on, it's pretty hard to, I think I can just, yeah. Ready guys? Our first one. Ooh, we got a husky. Cool. Now let's see what we have. The other one is, yes guys, we got a cat. And then the final one, a cow. Cool guys. That's pretty cool. I like it. So let me throw the package to the side. Oh, it's in the scissors now. Oh, move that. Okay, so I was right. We'll get 3. So we have a husky, a cow, and a cat. So I'll choose one that I want to open first. Maybe the husky. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Wow, guys, this is so detailed. Let's put this to the side. Okay, guys, we got our husky out. It has a tag. I think I'll leave it on. I'll put it out later. So here we have a husky. It's pretty cool. It has some black body, then it has a white underneath, and it has, I think, some blue eyes. Yeah, blue pupil. And it has a fluffy tail. It's pretty cool. I'll put it to the side right now. I'll show you in the end. Yeah, let me show you in different angles. Really cool. Okay, so now I think let's go with the cat. Let's get the cat out. That on the ground. Okay, here we have the cat. It looks so cute. It's smiling. So here we have a gray with black stripes and then some white body. In the bottom we have all 4 of its feet and paws, I mean. So, and in the end we have this little tail. I think they're all babies. Pretty cool. Let's put out the husky. Okay. We'll talk about that later. Now, in the end, the last one, the cow. Take this off. Okay, let's open this. Oh, okay. We have some cardboard. Let's take this off. Okay, so here we have our what you call it, Australian or you, I don't know. So here is our cow. Pretty cool. Has some white over here and then it has some white stripe. Guys, I have a question. What do you think its base color is? Black or white? And then which colors are the stripe? That's a challenge. Okay. And then here we have the hooves and the ears. And now let's bring these two over here. And our husky. Let's put the husky here, the cat here, and then the cow. Wait, they're all white and black and gray. Pretty cool, right? So that's for our our mini animals collections. So I hope you liked our video. Bye. Please like and subscribe.